So we are doing a performance now, which is me I'm gonna tell the story where me tell and we kind of bust me out. So it was a little competition named What's Your Story Jamaica? Doctor, this is not your set. You're on the show tonight. Up at Johnny's place, but water magic now when I ask the price. How much you want water, Johnny's place? $150. Alive! Blessing answer Johnny here at Johnny's place.
I want one.
It'd be wrong if Johnny wasn't at Johnny's place.
Want it? Christopher
Anthony Daly, aka Johnny, is an anomaly in that even though Johnny is a star since he was a boy,
yeah, we gotta make a statement. And I see. I don't know what they flex, people watch him move. Everybody come on and introduce you. What they flex, you owe me a set. People try test, watch me. Rhythm in the groove, and rhythm me a rhyme. People try test me, wipe on time.
him grow up to be a sane adult.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you, Johnny Daly. Yeah!
Well, kinda say. Yeah, and right now it's not really so much about him, it's about him place. Johnny's place. 35 Dunrobin Avenue, Kingston. Man have a lovely weekly comedy stand-up comedy night. And him lovely wife Sophia seems to be the same one in the duo. Yeah, but this vlog is neither about Sophia nor Johnny Daly. This vlog is about my first visit to Johnny's place. Me and my brethren, Dave Rhymes, are trying.
Johnny place. Like we see him get some lovely ladies smiling and laughing in Johnny's comedy bar.
The audience here have a reputation of being a rough crowd. You know how Jamaican people are to please. And my brethren Dave Rhymes is up first.
Dave said man is some joke tonight. On the clock Dave, Dave Rhymes!
I go by the name of Dave Rhymes. I'm a poet and also a comedian. So, we created a dance called Footer.
Well, Dave a hype up the dance here, and him sure say it's a go be a smash.
Yeah, so I work at this company, right? But they don't want to give me a raise. I asked the boss for a raise. Last year, while I was working on the first floor, I asked the boss for a raise. This year, he raised me to the second floor.
That joke they normally work for Dave.
One of my co-worker asked the boss for a raise. His name is Tyrone. Tyrone is Jamaican, my very good friend. But Tyrone is very ignorant sometimes, you know. You know, some Jamaicans are nice, but some of them ignorant. Like my friend Tyrone, I tell Tyrone, don't ask the boss for a raise, because the boss not going to give you a raise. Tyrone come back bragging and boasting and create a brand new dance called Get a Raise. You know, Jamaican people love to create dance already. Tyrone created a dance called Get a Raise. They go like this. I got a raise and you didn't get one. I got a raise, you didn't get one. Na, 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 na.
Well, the race dance get a
So,
chuckle here or
because the
there.
boss said, boss, what comes to give Tyrone a raise? Boss, and they've been working for 5 years and Tyrone been working with you for 5 days and you give Tyrone a raise and you give me a raise? He said, I said, boss, how much raise to give Tyrone? He said, 10. I said, 10 what? 10 what, boss? He said, 10 floor. I raised Tyrone to the 10th floor. Tell Tyrone not to come back and ask me for no more raise because this building does not pass the 10th floor.
And that joke they normally work for Dave.
Me tired of stressful life.
And no me still understand the issue about the
Cry,
school.
me can't cry no more. I worked so hard to make ends meet. From paycheck to paycheck. One paycheck away from being homeless. Federal taxes, state taxes, city taxes. And social security.
Please don't touch me. Please don't touch me. Usher him out. Usher him out. Usher him out. Usher him out. Take his microphone.
Yep, so them obviously lock up Dave mic and usher him off the stage. Rough crowd for real. Rough crowd for real, and my turn next. Yeah, but Dave never get me intro because you know me just perform. So here we go.
People buy it, but me never want to come up here. Right? Good one, God no, I actually couldn't go country. I asked the cameraman. We aim for go country and we carry cane. Come see me, I can sell no cane to my people in my Johnny's place. And they ain't so empty. We're going to figure out where in a basket. But me never want to come up here because we think up here they're boring. Man, was I wrong? Yeah, uptown people generally boring. God no, that honestly said from my own recording. Jamaican uptown people generally boring. So tell it to the people. I'm not sure if them boring. I'm not sure if them are uptown. Most of them in here don't really look uptown. Like Johnny look like an uptown man. He look like a hardcore. And when we come now, first of all, let me see if that joke you have funny with the bartender give me. When we say $150 to tell me for the water at Johnny's place. I buy the water and I say, wow, cheap water. And then when I drink the water, she pass me and go, you enjoying drinking Johnny's water? Funny. And of course, we tell her, no, miss, I'm not drinking Johnny water. We just want to know. But big up top of yourself as uptown people on the vibes and excited. Glad for that. It looks like me I'm going to come back and I'll come up there more. But I'm not really a comedian, as I'm telling you, I'm a vendor. I have a little mad streak. So maybe that's why I'm really a Gary Stevenson and it was printed. My real name Gary Stevenson, we're busy signal frig up for the rest of my life. Jesus Christ. Yeah. And then print it in the newspaper early last year, and my life changed from just a regular man to a man where Johnny I call me upon my phone and say, yo, when you coming up to Johnny's place to perform there? You look blood clean, Johnny call. God know, yeah. So it looks like my boss now. But before I talk, when I go say big up over big up and shut up over shut up. That's a talk when them get downtown. They love get up people. Them have a whole bunch thing about them, but them too boring. And a talk in a get up people party thing is big up over big up, shut up over shut up. I never ever hear that. I'm sure the comedian them, because them know everything well. But yeah, big up over big up mean big up. Yeah, big up somebody in a dance. Yo, big up over, big up, shut up, that means... understand. Yeah, right. So good, we clear that. Johnny started and say, I be a truth in people I'm talking in place. I say, hear himself earlier, we want to find out that truth here. As some man said, this is not comedy. This is God know a very major curiosity. And Johnny come out of a place where we say, hold on. Johnny, I was put on a show after me win one little competition last year. Give thanks and I eat boss me. So I was now put on the first major comedy show. My first ever comedy show. Name Come Have a Laugh. It was, I don't remember when last year. But the Dufton Shepherds and other people there on it. When I hear the name them and myself, King Nyah, you know, flyer print, you know, and send round. And I'm sure the man them will read the flyer can read. Play the one that say, come have a laugh. And me want to tell me the question me I ask to you. Is it Johnny bigging me up in this ad or shutting me up? Do play it, Mr.
We're working. Listen, this Sunday, the Small Brothers inviting you to come down to the Courtly Auditorium to come have a laugh. Yeah, have a laugh with us, some comics. Like have a good time. Yeah, man. Myself will be here. I don't know. Dr. Shepard will be here too. Captain Grant is going to be here. Nate Smith and hilarious Granny. Yeah, and King Brother. Yeah, we're going to be here.
You know, I want it. So people who say I big him, put hands in the air or make noise. People who say I big him, make noise. People who say I shot him, me up, make noise. Because most people don't want to perform again because I not get a pay for this. That may make Johnny know. That's the first. A bus with just a bus in him. And you hear what the man do with my name. When me and Bill King Nyah. But no worry yourself. So, alright, so we love that, thank God. We're establishing Dalton Spence, what him and Johnny friend when link with Johnny Dalton, you hear the people in that Johnny place say, I shot me with that. Alright, I correct that. So, we are doing my performance now, which is the, I'm going to tell the story where we tell and we kind of bust me out. So it was a little competition named What's Your Story to Make Up? Doctor, this is not your set. You're on the show tonight? Country and I come to town and make $2,000. Literally, I come with the, enough in the basket, $2,000. I get a little drive go home and I have $2,000 to live off for a week. We do it for like 5 years. God knows, like I lived off $2,000 a week in order to establish the farming thing I do. And